Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well today. Today I'm going to be replacing the fog lights on a Porsche Cayman 987.1. This is a 2008 Cayman 987.1. The same thing could be applied to the Cayman 987.2. What I'm going to do, I'm going to replace the halogen light bulb that is inside with an LED light bulb. The model of the light bulb is H11. So let's go ahead and start with the tools that you are going to need. You're going to need a simple Phillips screwdriver and a flat screwdriver to get the clips off. So I'm going to take the clips from the top and the one from the side and over here as well. So let's go ahead and do that first. That's right here. Then I'm going to pop this out and bring it down. I'm not gonna take the whole thing off. I'm just gonna put it down. Then right here, you're gonna have 1, 2, and 3 screw, Phillips screw. So let's go ahead and take it out. And before I take it out, let me go ahead and show you how it looks first. So that's how it looks with a regular halogen, and I have already replaced the passenger side, and this is the LED, so it looks much brighter. I have done the LEDs on the top as well. So let's go ahead and start the replacing process. Let me turn off the lights. Going to remove the Phillips screws. Put it on the side. Two and 3. This one. Now, I have to tell you not to make the mistake that I just made earlier. And by touching this is what keeps the actual light in place. And I think it moves it up and down. So don't touch that. I had to adjust the left side, the right side. So then that's it. To remove it, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to turn this right here. I'm going to turn it. So let me remove this one first. Remove that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and clean this real quick. Okay, so the actual casing is now nice and clean. I don't have any light bulbs attached to it. I'm going to remove this. So you press here on the top. Okay, now it's out. So here's the light bulb. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and install the LED error-free H11 light bulb. So I'm going to install it this way first and then try to see if it turns on, because you just have to make sure it works. So it does work. All right, so we know that it is working. Now let's go ahead and install this. So a big one goes this way. Okay, this nice and tight. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and install this side. Okay, so the next step that we have to do is make sure you have the clamps right here, you have the clamp right there, and I lost this clamp right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it again. Okay, and now you have to make sure that the holes fit as previously. So this goes right here, this goes right there. Okay, remember you have 3 Phillips screws, and you need the screwdriver as well. So let's go ahead and install this right here. I'm just going to make it snug first, because I need to make sure that all of them go in evenly. All right, okay, just snug enough. And the same thing goes right there, snug. Okay, so now I'm gonna make it tight, tight, and tight right here. All right, once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and install this plastic part. Please make sure you don't touch this, don't touch that. And I'm going to go ahead and install it. So this goes inside like this. And that's it. That completes the entire job. Okay, we clean it a little bit more, and now I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so that includes the fog lights are both LED, the headlights are both LED, all of the light bulbs are error-free. Okay, that light bulb is error-free, this is error-free. Okay, error-free. So now the job is completed. This 2008 Porsche Cayman 987.1 has been somewhat upgraded. And don't forget that I also upgraded the tail light. If you want me to make a video about that, please put it in the comments below. I greatly appreciate if you guys click like and subscribe. Okay guys, have an amazing day. Bye.